Well, hello there YouTube. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we have another dessert from Dawn's Delicious Desserts. Dawn, what are we making today?
So today we are going to try the Cinnamon Roll Cherry Cobbler.
Cinnamon Roll Cherry Cobbler. Outstanding. And before we get started, just want to do a little shout out. Thank you very much for everyone who watched our last video. It's done really well, which is making us want to keep doing these. So if you like these videos, if you like Dawn's Delicious Desserts, please consider subscribing to our channel. We would appreciate it. And with that, let's get started.
So I preheat the oven to 375, and then you're going to want to spray, I just sprayed Pam on our baking pan. And then we're just going to layer the Cinnabuns on the bottom.
Is there a certain type of roll that you're using?
Just the Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls. Alright, well, that didn't kind of come out too good, but I'll just smush it in there. And just layer them on the bottom. And you want to do 2 rolls of them. Make sure you take the lid from the icing off. Take the icing out. Okay. So last time I used frosting from a can. And I had a few viewers ask why I didn't use the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. So we are just going to use the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls and spread that on top and see how that turns out. Okay, so I finished spreading the icing on the cinnamon rolls. Now I'm just going to layer the cherries, and I threw my spoon away, so grab a new spoon. Okay. Sure if I was going to use all the cherries, but looks like it works, so we're going to use the whole can. And now we have the cinnamon swirl cake, so we're going to spread the cake mix on top of the cherries, just trying to make it even. I'll just use the spoon to spread it out. Okay. That looks good. Now we're going to take the cinnamon swirl from the top, and then I'll just layer this on top of the cake mix. Try to do it as even as I can. Okay, it smells good.
Very cinnamony.
Okay, now we are going to use 1 stick of butter that's cut up in pieces and spread that on top. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to wait for the oven to preheat and throw these in on 375 for 45 minutes. And then when we come back, we'll see what it looks like.
So excited. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Numminess. Look at that. It looks good.
Smells very yummy. Let's see. Okay.
Need a fork. That is yummy. Excellent job. Well, gang, we think you're really going to enjoy this. You should try it. Alright. As always, stay safe, be healthy. Thanks for watching.